Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. We have some more gift suggestions. For anyone who uses a computer, an external SSD drive is always useful. And the folks at Kingston continue to innovate in the category. The XS1000 is remarkably small, features fast transfer speeds, and the drives from 500 megabytes up to 4 terabytes are affordably priced. If you take lots of photos and videos, the 2024 versions of Adobe Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements are out. They include new AI-powered features, are easy and yet powerful to use, and now there are updated mobile and web apps as well. And for restoring faded photos or documents, one of our favorites continues to be Vivid-Pix software. Find them at vivid-pix.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.